Let's start again with the introduction to machine learning. We will cover some basic important topics in machine learning. So first of all, I will tell you like Arthur Samuel, an early American leader in the field of computer gaming and artificial intelligence, who was coined the term machine learning in 1959 while at IBM. He defined machine learning like the field of study that gives computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed, which means that the computer should be able to learn without being explicitly programmed. However, there is no universal accepted terms, so different authors define the term differently as per their knowledge. So next we will going to learn machine learning is programming computer to optimize a performance criteria using example data or past experience. So we have model are defined up to some parameters, and learning is the execution of computer program. So we can say that the model may be predictive to make prediction in the future or descriptive to gain the knowledge from data is considered in the machine learning. So the field of study is known as machine learning, concerned with the questions like how construct computer program that automatically improve with the experience. So let's see in details as in the terms of definition what we will going to define the machine learning. A computer program is set to learn from experience E with respect to some class of task T and performance measure P. There are three terms. First is experience, second is class of task, and third is performance measure. So if its performance measure at task T as measured by P improve with experience E, then that is considered to be learning of machine. Examples we can say that if we will consider an example, let's see here. First example is handwriting recognition learning problem, in which the task T is like to recognizing and classifying handwritten words with images. Second is performance, which is percentage of words classified, how much words it will be classified by or recognizing the handwriting. And the last is training experience, which is how the training experience is done. A data set of handwritten notes will give the classification. So this is an example of learning of machine. So one more example we will provide you like a robot driving learning problem, in which there are three terms related to learning. First is task, second is performance, and the third is training experience. So the task T means if a robot driving learning problem is in which the task will be driving on highway using vision sensors, which means it should the robot should able to learn or drive on highways with using the sensor of vision. Second is we will evaluate the performance, which means average distance traveled before an error, how much distance he have covered without an error or before an error. And the last is training experience E, which means a sequence of images and steering commands recorded while observing a human driver, which means the experience will be gained with the help of sequence of images and steering commands. It will be recorded while observing a human driver. When human driver were driving, then machine will able to record that things and observe that things so that it can learn through the human driver. So this is the main three learning parameters. So the last definition we can conclude from above tasks like a computer program which learns from experience is called a machine learning program or simply a learning program. So what can we conclude? A computer program which learns from experience is called a machine learning program or simply a learning program. So I hope you got what is learning program, what are the parameters we set for the learning program, and what is the main definition of machine learning and how it will work while learning from past experience. So again, these are some examples of machine learning. You can see in this above diagram like self-driving cars, credit worthiness. There are several fields where we are using the machine learning, like in face recognition on your phone for your voice understanding, for diagnose disease of symptoms, for advice products, for books in Amazon, for recommendation of movie, and for the recommendation of music. There are several industry recently they are using the machine learning. So these are some of the example where the machine learning is used, where the learning is done with the help of past experience. So I hope you got this video. I hope you learned something from this video. So next we will compare the traditional programming and machine learning in next video. I hope you like this video. If you have learned the concept of machine learning, please do share this video from your all friends, and do subscribe and like this channel. Thank you everyone. Thank you my students.